Hi everyone, welcome back to Turbo Trends. The 2025 Hero Pleasure Platinum scooter is making waves in the two-wheeler market, and for all the right reasons. Whether you're a first-time scooter buyer or someone looking to upgrade, this scooter has everything to offer in terms of style, performance, and practicality. First, let's talk about the design. The Hero Pleasure Platinum 2025 brings a fresh, modern look to the table with its sleek, angular styling. The front features a sharp, bold headlamp design, paired with chrome accents that give the scooter a premium feel. The scooter's body is smooth and stylish, making it stand out in its category. Plus, it's available in multiple color options, ensuring that riders can pick a style that suits their personality. Now, moving on to performance. The Hero Pleasure Platinum comes with a 110cc engine that strikes the right balance between power and fuel efficiency. Whether you're navigating through busy city streets or cruising along an open road, the engine performs smoothly, offering just the right amount of power for daily commuting. It's an engine that's easy to handle and provides enough torque for an enjoyable ride, without compromising on fuel economy. Speaking of fuel efficiency, the Hero Pleasure Platinum delivers an impressive mileage of around 60 kmpl, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to cut down on fuel costs. This scooter not only performs well but also ensures that you save money in the long run by giving you more kilometers per liter. Comfort is another area where the Hero Pleasure Platinum shines. The wide, cushioned seat ensures that you can enjoy long rides without discomfort. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, the seating arrangement offers ample space and support. The scooter is built to be a smooth ride, even on rougher city roads, thanks to its well-tuned suspension system that absorbs shocks effectively. One of the standout features of this scooter is the digital instrument cluster. This modern touch gives you all the necessary details, like speed, fuel consumption, and trip information, in a clean and easy-to-read format. The layout is intuitive and stylish, adding a technological edge to the Pleasure Platinum. For safety, the scooter comes equipped with a front disc brake and rear drum brake system, providing reliable stopping power. It's an essential feature for city riders who need to stop quickly in traffic. Additionally, the tubeless tires offer peace of mind, as they are less prone to punctures, which makes for fewer maintenance concerns during daily commutes. Another useful feature of the Hero Pleasure Platinum is its storage capacity. The underseat storage is generous enough to carry your helmet, a small bag, or even some groceries. This makes it a practical option for people who need extra space for their essentials while on the move. When it comes to handling, the scooter is agile and easy to maneuver. Whether you're navigating tight corners or tackling crowded streets, the Pleasure Platinum offers excellent control and stability. Its lightweight design adds to its maneuverability, making it suitable for both experienced and new riders. To sum it all up, the 2025 Hero Pleasure Platinum is a complete package. With its stylish design, powerful yet efficient engine, advanced features, and strong focus on safety and comfort, it's an ideal scooter for those looking for a reliable, affordable, and feature-packed ride. Whether you need a scooter for daily commuting or just something to take out on the weekends, the Hero Pleasure Platinum checks all the boxes. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest two-wheelers and more. Thanks for tuning in.